For this demonstration, I'm going to use RiotJS, Gulp, Browserify, and ES6. I'm importing Riot from npm. The first thing I'm going to want to do is create a Riot Tag. Now you can think of a Riot Tag as something like a React component, if you're familiar with that. My first parameter is the name, called Hello World. The second parameter is going to be my HTML. I'm going to use ES6 template strings to accomplish this. The second parameter is going to be the JavaScript that's going to power my component. Now, within our JavaScript function that is powering our tag, we have the ops parameter, which stands for options. We'll talk about that here in a second. We also have the title property being set on this. This title property directly correlates with the title in our HTML. Next, we want to Riot mount our tag into our index.html. You'll notice that we added the title attribute. This is what I was saying before is directly tied to our JavaScript parameter called ops. Past options can be used in our tag JavaScript. You see we're doing it here with the title. This ops.title is correlated with the title hello here. If I save, I should see something in my browser, hello world, and it works. Now to test, I can change hello to hello2 and save, and it still works. The next thing I'd like to talk about is the tag syntax. The tag syntax is something that RiotJS came out with that takes this Riot Tag method and makes it a little easier to define. The tag syntax is essentially a sugar-coated way to compose Riot tags that transpile into what we've already written here as our Riot Tag method. I'm going to go ahead and comment out what we've already written to make sure this works. Within our Hello World tag file, you'll notice that we have a Hello World start element and a Hello World end element. Our tag's HTML is composed at the top, as before, but it feels a little more natural to writing normal HTML. Our title property is within the h1 tags. Our script tag is essentially our function that controls the logic for our tag. Now, RiotJS doesn't require you to use the script tags, but I noticed that it helps with syntax highlighting. Now all we need to do is import our hello world tag to our app.js file. And when we save, we should go ahead and get our hello world again. To test, we can change our title property, and it works. I want to talk a little bit about the transpiling mechanism that's happening. In my gulp file, you can see in my Browserify task that I have a transform called Babify and Riotify. Riotify is what's taking that tag syntax and transpiling it into something more like the Riot tag syntax that we were looking at earlier. And that's it. Thank you for watching.